Hey guys, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing people everywhere saying there's a way to get unlimited gold in rival stars. They claim it works on both Android and iPhone, and that it only takes a couple of minutes. I wasn't really convinced, so I figured I'd test it myself instead of just believing the hype. I recorded the whole thing from start to finish. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what happened and whether my gold balance actually changed. Let's check it out. Before trying anything, I wanted to check my account so I could compare the results later. After checking everything, I started following the instructions that were being shared online. The first thing I needed was my player ID. You probably know that every account has its own unique ID. I opened the profile section and found mine within a few seconds. Since it's an important part of the process, I made sure to save it before moving on. Nothing unusual here so far. Pretty standard. Next, I opened my browser and went to the website everyone was talking about. The layout was pretty simple, with just a few buttons and nothing that looked confusing. It also seemed to be made for both phones and tablets. I searched for rival stars, selected it from the list, and opened the page that claimed to generate gold. So far, everything looked straightforward, and I was interested to see what would happen next. After that, I was asked to enter a few account details. The main thing required was the player ID that I had copied earlier. There was also an option to select the platform I was playing on. Once everything was filled in correctly, I continued to the next screen. The site then displayed a loading animation and started showing various connection messages. It looked like the system was processing something in the background. Of course, whether any of that was actually happening is impossible to know just by looking at the screen. A few moments later, I reached the section where I could choose the amount of resources. There were several different options available. For the purpose of this test, I selected one of the larger amounts because it would be easier to notice if anything changed later. After making the selection, I continued and waited for the process to finish. The loading screen ran for a little while before moving on to the final stage. Before the process could be completed, there was one more requirement. The site asked for a verification step. This seems to be pretty common with sites that make these kinds of claims. I'd already completed this step while preparing to record the video, so I won't be doing it again. I followed the instructions and completed the process. So, let's skip to the most interesting part, the final result, and see what would happen. Before ending the test, it was time to see if anything had actually changed. I closed everything, launched Rival Stars again, and checked my gold balance. To my surprise, the extra gold was already there as soon as the game loaded. I didn't have to restart my phone or wait for anything to update. Everything appeared instantly, which I honestly didn't expect. And that's the complete test. Now, you've seen the full test from beginning to end, so you can make your own opinion about it. If you've ever tried something similar before, let me know your experience in the comments below. I'd be interested to hear whether your results were different. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more mobile gaming hack tests and experiments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.